Here's simple step-by-step guide how to add bookmarks on your Google Chrome browser. So alright, let's jump into it. First of all, open up your Google Chrome right here, and then in the search bar find websites that you want. For example, YouTube PNG, and then click on this image. Go to this website, for example, and then you can click on the star at the top right corner, and as you can see, bookmark added, and you can change name whatever you want, for example, YouTube logo, and you can change the folder. For example, click here, bookmarks bar, and all bookmarks, and choose another folder. I don't change it and click on done button. And also you can choose shortcuts. For example, for Mac you can click on Command D and bookmarks is added or edit. And on Windows you can click on Control D. Now I'm gonna click on three dots at the top right corner, and then in the drop down menu I can find bookmarks right here, and now I can click on bookmark manager right here, and as you can see, here's my bookmarks bar, and I can click on other bookmarks, and as you can see, here's my YouTube logo, and also I can click on the website and click here right here and add page right here, change whatever you want, YouTube, and click on save. As you can see, new page is appear right here. That's it. I hope it helps. You can watch this video or this playlist about Google Chrome account.